Harishainaza kasheshe umubiri gwa Pamela tumwebaze gwahika itendekero lya Uganda Christian University muri Mukono ahabire nakorera okubasa kushabirwa aho abantu nyamwingi babasa kwikaho okureba ngo bashabira omugenzi.
The God of Jacob is our fortress. Glory be to the Father and to the Son and to the Holy Spirit.
Nabwanyuma yo kutandika okumushabira abanyabuzare hamwe n'abanyamukago otireho n'abantu ababire nakora nabo bamutawe bimuri nk'akabonero ko kumusibura. Abana b'omugenzi otireho n'abari kuzarwa nabo mu kugamba kwabo bayereka kushasha kw'amaani ahabwo kurugwaho omuntu wabo obwire ry'enkundwakazi kandi bashaba Ruhanga okurebuka ngu yabonereza omuntu weena oyisire omuntu wabo.
I would like to thank everyone for coming. My mom was a very kind person. My mom was a very kind person. Was a very kind woman. She liked to be happy. She loved us so much, and we love her too.
We bless the Lord for Mom. She has loved us so dearly, and we love her too. We're going to miss her so much. Please continue praying for us.
Aunt Pamela was so kind. She was like the best mom ever. She was never angry or sad. She was happy. She was like a blessing to me. She was amazing. Rest in peace. We love you.
Aho niho ekitongole kya Poriisi bebembirwemu n'omuduumuzi wa Poriisi omu bicweka ebi yashobora ngu ekitongole kya Poriisi kiriyo nikikora ekirikubasika kurebuka ngu batunga abantu abakozire ekikorwa eki.
Mine is just a word of assurance that from the word go, when we learned of the murder of our sister Pamela, we swung in action timely, and as we talk, investigations are ongoing. Our teams of the forensics, they are doing all what it takes to make sure that we get on top of the game.
Bishop wa Mukono Diocese Enos Chito Kagodo owaijwecherera Archbishop w'ekanisa nkuru ya Uganda Bishop Kazimba Mugalu nawe yayereka Okwitwa ahabwa abantu abisira omugenzi kandi yashaba abakiri kukwata okukora ekirikwetagisa kurebuka ngu eka ya Pamela yatunga oburinganiza.
We want to thank God for Pamela. I want to repeat what I've said with the chaplain. I said, Pamela's absence is felt. To people here in the university, to the community, have seen people crying.
Bo abitendekero lya Uganda Christian University ahi Pamela abere nakorera nabo basima emirimo y'omugenzi eyabira korera itendekero eri okwihebu yatandika kukorerayo.
The students fraternity, we have lost a strong pillar, and let it be international students, sports students, postgraduate students, we have been impacted by her life, and we glorify God for her life. I personally am a direct beneficiary of Mama Pamela's integrity, compassion, rehabilitation.
Madame Pamela has been an inspiration to all of us, and I only have one brief story to our commitment to serving students. When she became the Director of Student Affairs, we were the government serving at the time, and that was the 25th Guild government. And I remember that every single time that the school day came to an end, she would have to go and pick Noah and Elijah. That was her priority. But we had a meeting, and she scheduled it for 5. So when I arrived at her office, Jaja told me that she has left to pick Noah and Elijah. So I called her. I'm like, should we reschedule for tomorrow? But it was important. So she's like, no, now that I've picked the boys, Let me park on the side of the road so that we can finish this issue.
Amakuru agasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano omuri Mukono.